Hi everyone, this is Ambroise from Auto Plaisir Motorcycle Rental in Geneva. In this video I'm going to show you the controls of the new BMW R18. So the BMW R18 has a fob. You press this button to lock the cases. You press and hold for the alarm, and you press this other button to unlock the cases and turn off the alarm. After that, you can keep the key in your pocket. You press this button to switch on the bike. Let's start on the left side. So this button here, you pull to flash and you push it forward for high beam. This button is for the cruise control. You switch it to the right and you can then set the speed. Once the speed is set, you can accelerate or slow down. If you touch anything like clutch, brakes, or you can even push back the throttle like that, it will stop cruising. You will be able to resume pulling the lever, or you can switch off the cruise control like that. This button is for the hazards. Nothing much to say here. The menu button. So when you are on the main screen like that, you can press up to browse through a lot of information we have in the top right corner here, like average speed of trip 1, trip 2, the tire pressure, the range, fuel gauge, the odometer, trip 1 and trip 2 info. Okay. You press down the menu button to enter the onboard computer of the bike, and you can change the page pushing the wheel to the right or to the left. So let's have a look at what's in my vehicle. So I pressed down. This first screen is about the motorcycle itself. It will show you the tire pressure once the bike is started. Next page is onboard computer 1, so I have pressed the wheel to the right like that. Onboard computer 1, you can reset the values pressing down, and you choose with the wheel. So you can decide to reset all the values or just some of them. Next page is trip computer 2. This one is set to reset automatically every day. Another display here about the tire pressure with the difference with the actual tire pressure. And this is the service requirements. Back to the previous screen, pushing the menu button up, you can turn the radio on or off. The next page is about the navigation. So when you have the BMW Motorrad connected app on your phone, you can pair your phone with the bike with Bluetooth, and you can connect your phone to the bike with Wi-Fi, so you will be able to display the navigation map on the screen. So your phone can be stored under here. So you have these two buttons here. You press the right one to open the phone compartment, and you put your phone inside like that. Okay, and then you can close the door. Before that, you have to connect your phone to the bike with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then you can display the map on the screen. You can set the navigation with your phone, and you will be able to follow the instructions here on the screen of the bike. Same thing with the media. Once your phone is connected to the bike, you will be able to play the music that is on your phone, as well as answering your phone calls if you have a Bluetooth headset. In the settings of the bike here, in the assist menu, you have the traction control and the hill start control. They both can be deactivated. The heating can be set here, heated grips and heated seat. You rotate the wheel to set the desired heating, and you confirm pushing the wheel to the right. Vehicle settings, you can set the alarm setting to arm automatically, and the lights, the daylights are automatic, so that means if it gets darker, the main light will turn on automatically, and the comfort turn indicator means the indicator will turn off automatically after a while. System settings, nothing much to see here. Connections, it's where you will be able to pair your phone to the bike. Display, you can set the brightness. The status line content, the status line is this area where you can display a lot of information. You can select only a few of them if you don't want to see that many. And here you can display the speed limit info once your phone is connected to the bike. The mode button is for the riding modes. You have 3 riding modes: rain, roll, which is the equivalent of the road setting on the other BMWs, and the rock. And the rock riding mode is probably the equivalent of the dynamic riding mode. Turn signal, right, left, push to cancel, nothing much to say about that. It cancels by itself, as we have just seen. Horn is here. The fuel cap, you press on the left side to undo the fuel cap here. On the right side here, you have the BMW emergency call. So pressing this button, the bike calls a BMW call center that is able to localize the bike and send you some help. This button is to open or close the cases, the central lock. When the cases are locked, you have this little icon that is displayed here. So we have seen this button is to switch on or off the bike. To lock the steering, you switch off the bike first, turn the bar to the left, and you press and hold. Same thing to unlock. This button is the kill switch. You press down to start. This button will also make the bike go backwards once you have engaged the reverse gear. To engage the reverse gear, you press this lever down like that, and once you have done that, the engine running of course, you will be able to press this button and the bike goes backwards. Once you're done, you lift the lever back to its horizontal position. To open the cases, once they are unlocked, you press on the lock here and you just have to pull this lever. There is no preload to set on this bike. It is fully automatic, so whatever the weight you put on the bike, the suspension will adjust itself. Okay, thanks a lot for your attention. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, you have my mobile phone on the contract. I wish you a great ride. Thanks. Bye.